Hello friends, welcome back in a new video. Today our topic is sliding window. We will read more about sliding window. If you come here first time, then subscribe this channel and like and share this video. So let's start this video. Sliding window. In this method, the sender can transmit several frames before needing an ACK. Frames can be sent one right after another, meaning link can carry several frames at once and its capacity can be used efficiently. The receiver uses a single ACK to confirm the recipient of multiple data frames. Sliding windows refers to imaginary boxes at both the sender and the receiver. This window can hold frames and either end and provides the upper limit on the number of frames that can be sent before requiring an ACK. Frames may be ACK at any point, waiting for the window to fill up, and may be TX as long as the window is not yet full. Sliding window. To keep track of which frames can have been transmitted with and which received, sliding windows introduces an identification scheme based on the size of window. The frames are numbered module and means from 0 to 1. If n is equal to 8 frames are numbered 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When the receiver sends the ACK includes the number of next frame it expects to receive. For example, to ACK the recipient of a string frame ending in frame 4, receiver sends an ACK with number 5. Window can hold n frame 1 either, therefore a max of n is equal frames may be sent before n. पता नहीं चल हाँ जी चलती है नहीं At the beginning of a TX sender, Windows contains if1 frames. As frames are sent out, the left boundary of window moves inward, shrinking the size of the window. When an ACK is received, the window expands to allow in a number of new frames equal to the number of frames acknowledged by the ACK. At the beginning of TX, the receiver window contains n spaces for the frames. As new frames one in the size, the receiver window shrinks. The receiver window therefore does not show the frames that are received, but the frames that may still be received by ACK is sent. This is click to add. This is click to add title. Here you can see that this is a diagram, flowchart. This is an sliding window. This is a sliding window. Here you can see that error control stop and start sliding, go back and select it. So this is our video. See you soon in the next video. Hope you like this video.